cut the previous one, the one I showed you before. After cutting, I didn't touch this place. I only hem this place with 1/2 inch because of the elastic I have. I have this tiny elastic. The elastic is very tiny. After sewing, I measure 10 inches because the sleeve is going to be here. Let me show you. You can see the sleeve. This is where I'm going to sew on the armhole. This is the shoulder where I add gather on. The one I will sew on the shoulder, this place. This is the armhole. After sewing here, I will draw the sleeve up to here, up to 3/4. So the sleeve will now relax this way. You can see the way it is now after I finish sewing, like this. So you can see that the length is not too long. Instead, I just draw it up to here. This is how it will look like. I'll direct you on how I sew it. That's why I've sewed this already. I will still show you how I sew the previous one. The 2 sleeves I made before, I used 2 yards. This one is 1 yard and this one is 1 yard. The length is 60 inches. If you open the material like this, it's 60 inches. This place is 60 inches. If you fold into 2 like this, then this place will now be 30 inches. I will measure 2 yards. 2 yards from here. This is 1 yard. This is 2 yards. This is 1 yard. Then plus this one is 2 yards. And I fold this way. I'm not going to cut this material. I'm only going to show you how I come about these 2 sleeves. This place now is 30 inches because if you open like this, it's 60 inches long. After folding it to 2, it will now give 30 inches. This is the bottom. This side is the up. I will only mark like this long. Then